Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Rakuten Advertising affiliate links for USA traffic, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Rakuten Advertising affiliate links for USA traffic, begin by creating your account on the Rakuten Advertising website. Visit the Rakuten Advertising homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to your Rakuten Advertising dashboard. Navigate to the Advertisers section to explore available partnerships. Select advertisers that align with your niche and audience. Apply to join those specific affiliate programs. Once your applications are approved, you will gain access to the affiliate links. Go to the Links section in your dashboard. Choose the products or services you want to promote. Copy the affiliate links provided for those products. Now, return to your website or platform where you plan to share these links. Paste the affiliate links into your content strategically. Ensure your content is engaging and adds value to your audience. To track your performance, frequently check the Reports section in your dashboard. This will help you monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Optimize your strategies based on the performance data you gather. Keep your audience engaged by regularly updating your content with new affiliate links. Stay informed about any changes in policies or new promotional materials from Rakuten. Engage with your audience and respond to inquiries to build trust. Maintain compliance with FTC regulations by disclosing your affiliate partnerships. By following these steps, you will successfully activate Rakuten Advertising affiliate links for USA traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.